So, I read this book last summer and it really stuck with me because it made me think about a really important question. Does morality have a purpose? Sorry, does purpose have a morality? I'm sorry. Um, so there are two people in the book, let's call them person A and person B, and they both are siblings. So person A decides to kill himself because he does not see himself fitting in with the society or the environment around him, and he sees himself more as a misfit. Whereas person B is obsessed with this man and who impregnates her, and she decides to live on because she's having a baby. Last year, when I read this book, I did not agree with person B because I thought that it's not fair for the child that she's having to have such a big responsibility of her mother's life's purpose. It made me really uncomfortable, and I did not like that. Whereas person A, who thinks that killing himself is not a sin but a very valid choice, I agreed with him because I feel like that if you're born on this planet without your consent, then it should be allowed for somebody to die without being looked down upon. Um, but then this got me thinking, why is one thing looked down upon while the other is praised? Um, so this entire year taught me a lot, and even though last year I came to disagree with person B, who had a child and decided to live on, this year it was different. There are a lot of examples of people getting stuck physically in certain conditions where they have to eat leaves or other animals or even other human beings to survive, and that is completely justified. Then why is not the person B trying to live on their life while hanging on to another life that hasn't been born? Why was I not justifying it? Um, it's kind of the same how a lot of nation or armies they genocide other people, and so in the name of nationalism they just genocide other people in the name of nationalism, and that is justified. I'm not saying it's justified, obviously it's not, but a lot of people think that's justified, especially the people of that particular nation. But whereas on the other hand, there are a lot of terrorist organizations which may not even be that, or the government does not like them. So those people are looked down upon. What my point is that obviously hurting each other is bad. Terrorism is bad. But what I mean to say is, why is one thing looked down upon while the other thing is not? Morally, another example would be a serial killer. The purpose of the life of a serial killer is to kill other people. And hypothetically, if there is a serial killer who kills other people because he does not like his own life and wants to continue living through this, then even though by law he's doing a bad thing, and even like by common human empathy killing other people is bad, but when he thinks about the morality of his own purpose, it's not wrong. So this this made me conclude that there is no um, morality of a purpose. There is no difference between anyone doing anything just to keep on living, because at the end of the day we're just surviving on this planet and we're finding different ways to do that. um, Obviously as a whole we should question that what is right and what is wrong, but what I'm talking about is in here, not out there. um, so yeah, purpose and morality, these two things are something that keep me up at night and keep me wondering that what how should a person live their life, you know. Okay, bye bye.